And this video is for Ian so that we can get into the Zoom meeting. If you go into sign in, you'll go into your Launchpad. And here you can go into Google Classroom, go into your coding class. Now, here's a link and here's a link. You could try either one. You can go into Classroom, go to your Google Calendar, and again, here's the link. You'll notice the numbers are the same, so no matter what, they are there. Or you can go back to Focus, go into your Focus account, and you will go to, you will have classes that, like you have virtual, and then coding. So you will click coding, and then you will go to the web pages. It will bring you to your pages. I'll click into coding, and you'll see this. Here's your Google Classroom code. Here's some other stuff. Then you see resources, and here's your Zoom link. So you would click the Zoom link. Now I've already got it open, so you can't see that I'm clicking it. Here's your web address for your uCertify. Now Ian has known about uCertify for a long time, so he still has not gone in and done any work, but he is in the classroom and ready to go to work. So there shouldn't be any problem there. As long as you get into the Zoom, you should be fine, because when I go in, I have the kids in here, and I've clicked an invite and sent it to you through your email. And as long as you're doing things like that, it should work. Now I'm going to go ahead and stop.